Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocharios and we are giving you a tour, a drone tour of the SOL Harbour development. Now, people are always asking who is buying these apartments. There are a lot of developments going on in Jamaica. Now, outside of Kingston, I can tell you all these developments are sold out. This development we're looking at is sold out, and this is two towers at 7 floors. They were sold out just as the development started. That development that China Harbour Engineering Company is doing in Miami Bay by Roaring River, it's going to be sold out in days when it goes on the market. The developments in Draxall sold out. The developments along the coast. I'm not sure about Kingston because Kingston has a lot of apartments, but the ones in St. Anne and along the north coast are sold out. Now, this development is done by Proven, and are in the they have a real estate arm. They're also a finance company, and 3 out of their 4 developments have sold out. The one in Kingston, this one, the one in Runaway Bay, the only one that hasn't sold out yet is the one in Mandeville, and that one has a building in front of it blocking the view. So I'm not sure if that's why. But people are buying these developments, and a lot of people in the diaspora are buying them. I think the diaspora has bought out Draxall, Richmond, those places. So people are buying them. So we're going to go to look at this view. This is why Ocharios is a major tourist town in Jamaica. Look at this view. And Ocharios also has Duns River Falls and Mystic Mountain and Dolphin Cove. They have the top 3 tourist attractions in Jamaica. But look at the view you will have from the SOL Harbour apartments. Beautiful. That's actually Moon Palace Hotel that you're looking at straight ahead to the right. And that's the hotel you're looking at is 700 rooms. And they're actually building a hotel twice the size of that one in Montego Bay, 1,350 rooms. Alright guys, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the SOL Harbour development. Alright guys, have a good day. Now, Ocharios is one of the major tourist towns in Jamaica. So any real estate you can get in Ocharios is going to do well. Airbnb, these units are perfect for Airbnb rentals. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Proven Properties' latest project in St. Anne, SOL Harbour, located in the heart of Ocharios, is positioned as an investment opportunity for those looking for a vacation property. We're selling this to investors in Kingston who want that vacation property. You have your party weekend, you can come down. If you're not using it, you can rent it out. And it's also being sold to people in the diaspora, explained Campbell. SOL Harbour represents a $5.13 billion investment and features 2 modern 7-story high-rise towers with 140 studios and 12 2-bedroom apartments. The development includes amenities like a clubhouse with a pool and gym, a jogging trail, landscape gardens, lobby lounges with a concierge desk and rooftop access. Studio apartments are priced starting at 36.5 million Jamaican, while 2-bedroom apartments start at 74.5 million Jamaican. And the 1-bedroom would work out to the studio would work out to 235,000 US, and the 2-bedroom 479,000 US. Construction began in June 2023 with completion expected by December 2025. So that's the end of the update article. And it's a Chinese contractor that's doing the work, so that's why it's moving so quickly. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Enjoy the rest of the tour, and we'll keep you guys updated on this development and all the other developments taking place, especially those on the north coast. And this is actually one of 3 developments that Proven has in the works. They have Vista in Mandeville and Bahari in Runaway Bay. And we'll give you guys regular updates on all 3 developments. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.